Let me show you a great way to improve your eyesight, all right, using onion plus other great ingredients. All right, so onion is a great remedy that improves the eyesight. Now if you used to cook, you would notice that whenever you cut onion, especially red or purple onion, don't know how you call it, then you would be teary, like you're gonna shed tears. Now that is very good. Okay, so if you shed tears when you're cutting onion, do not lament, do not worry. The onion is literally clearing up your eyes. It's killing all of those bacteria that is actually in your eyes. Okay, now this is a different way to make it. Drinking this raw onion is superb. It's literally going to help you to improve your bad eyesight. So whatever problem you have, be it eye pain, cataract, glaucoma, short-sightedness, and redness of eye, okay, especially for those smokers, okay, if you have such problems, then you do not need to worry, because you are at the right video, because this that I'm going to be showing you would help you to improve your bad eyesight. So after onion is cut, then we're going to be needing beetroot. Now beetroot is one great and one very powerful remedy that works. It helps you in terms of your heart health, and it helps you so much to improve your sight. And then again, we're going to be making use of lime. All right, so in the absence of lime, you can equally make use of lemon. Okay, so I'm literally going to be peeling off the skin of the lime, just like this. So then again, we're going to be making use of carrot. Now carrot is one powerful and most powerful ingredient when it comes to treating your eyesight, you guys. Carrot helps to, because of the nutrients that contain in carrot, it helps to remove all of those eye problems. Okay, so that's why you must have to include carrot in this remedy. So we're literally going to be cutting it into pieces. So here we go. And then again, we're going to be making use of tomato. Now when it comes to the eyesight, you guys, you have to make use of tomato. You must include tomato because this is an amazing ingredient that helps you, and it rejuvenates you, and it also helps and keep your eyesight clear. So I'm gonna get my blender, and firstly I'll put in my carrot, then the beetroot and the lime, then my onion, and then the tomato, and then I'm gonna be putting in water. So here is my juice, it's well blended, and now I'm gonna be sieving this out. Alright, you guys, so this drink would help you in improving your eyesight. Okay, just take it once in a day. Alright, it would help you to improve your eyesight, and you're not going to be wearing glass, so you do not actually need glasses. With or without glasses, your eyes are going to be shiny like daylight. Okay, like touch, you know, all of those, you know, very strong touch. Your eyes are going to be as strong as that, and there will be no limitations to what you can do with your eyes. You're not going to be having those eye pains and all of those, you know, feelings anymore in your eyes. Okay, so you have to take once in a day and continue it for at least 2 weeks for a more powerful, effective, and a more radiant, long-lasting result. Okay, this is one great ingredient you would not want to miss. So go give this drink a go if you're having eye pains, cataract, you know, short-sightedness, or if you have somebody that is experiencing all of that, then you can introduce the person to this drink and the person would thank you for that, because this drink is very, very powerful. All right, let me have a take. Wow, this is so yummy. I love it, although it's a little slappy, but of course this is very, very important. Now if you must have a good sight, then you have to know that you have to bear the slappiness. The slappiness is just because of the lime, but it's not bad at all. It's very, very healthy.